Okay, welcome back everybody. This is Don. Now you must admit that was a piece of cake. Setting up these fan pages is click, 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 and it's done. Especially with the directions that are given to you. If you follow these directions, you're fine. Okay. Now this looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now the thing is, it's not worth a whole lot yet. Okay, but it will be because see right here, there will be down in here. We're going to have an image tab that links to the page where the webinar is, the webinar that has your affiliate link on it, so the people that watch the webinar can get the system from you guys. We're on Facebook. This is powerful. Not only will you have this, but you're going to have set up one for MCA, for the MCA people who need a system like this, the copy paste cache people, as well as not instant, but level 1 network. Okay, so you're going to have a page for all of those, and all you need to do then is just work Facebook, but that's a discussion for later. Let's get on with getting this set up. Okay, so let's go into the back office. That's where everything is, all your directions in the back office, and it says right here, set up your fan page tab. We just click it, guys, just click it. That's all we do, and it takes you right here. Add static HTML to a page, and we were working on test number 7. That was the name of the page. Okay, so it says add this application to a page. Choose a page. Okay, you know the name of the page, you created it, just click there. It was test 7, and voila. Okay, add static HTML iframes. Yep, I do. Iframe tabs. Okay, so it takes me back to the page. How about that? Brings me right back to the page. All right, and there it is. This is clickable. It says welcome. This is a clickable link that clicks over to the page that the webinar is going to be on. Okay, it's not there yet, but you will have it there when I give you the code on the next video, or the whichever one whichever one is coming soon. Okay, so now this right here, we don't particularly care for just having a star here, right? Guys, you are the admin. You're the admin of your fan page. So we're going to click on edit. We're going to update info, and we're going to change that. So when this page pops open, you just come over here where it says apps. Click on apps. Don't be afraid. There it is. That's it. And then you're going to edit your settings. Click that. Change tab image, change tab name. Okay, so we're going to change the image, and so we'll just click here. All right, this opens up, right? Edit. So click that, and you're going to upload the image from your back office. From your computer, because you're going to download it from your back office to your computer. You have already done that, in fact. All right. So where are we? There it is right there. That one right there. Okay, and I just do that. Alright, and there it is. I don't even have to save it. It's automatically saved. So let's go back over to number. I've got to delete some of these guys too. Test 7. So we click that. And voila. Okay, and notice it's nicely sized and everything again, so that looks good. Now welcome, you can leave that like that if you want, but here's what I do, what I'm going to be doing with mine. Of course, we're talking about what? We're talking about getting people on the webinar. Get on our webinar. Okay, and this just says welcome. I think it would be better if this says something about get on the webinar. Okay, so you go back into edit, update info, you go to apps, go to settings, and that was what? That was the name, custom name. So I'm going to put a couple of spaces in front, see if I get that to move over some, and we're going to say, I'm going to say webinar details. Now you don't have to do this, it's up to you. And I hit save, and this thing doesn't seem to come back and tell me it saved it, and I click OK. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go get back over. Oh, okay. Well, it's okay. Leave it open. We're going to go back to test number 7. And we're going to click that. And we'll see webinar detail. Well, it said detail, and the reason that it didn't put that S there because it doesn't allow too many characters, and I put all those spaces in front of it, so I'll have to take it out to go back and modify that. That's okay. Webinar details is what it. So that kind of ties in with what we're talking about here, and this is what we'll be talking about. All of our fan pages will be talking about get on the webinar, get on the webinar. Okay. So guys, on the next video, so we got this straightened out. Also, this right here, add information about your tests, about test 7. You can put it right here, and you can update it. But you do want to have something here that says get on the webinar. And you can't put but 155 characters there, okay? But you want something there because you want to drive people that are on your fan page to click this, okay? All right, we'll see you on the next one.